How about it? Watermelon. I'm kind of feeling like I just want to put my hair in a bun right now. I don't know. It's giving bun right now. I just feel like I put the rosemary oil in and now my hair is... I mean, my hair was already kind of greasy. So I'm trying to not wash my hair though. The last time I washed my hair was the day before I went to that wedding, which here are some pictures from the wedding. But yeah, we're just gonna do a bun today because I can't. Good enough, good enough. The best thing about doing your own nails is when a rhinestone falls off, you can just fix it. I have to re-put this one on. Like the little heart thing came off. The best part. Lots of options for later for filming, but we're gonna do this one. Okay, so this is what I need to sculpt. Make this part separately, and then maybe just subtract this part and just kind of make it like that. And the rest will be with paint, I think. And Kiwi's going crazy. I printed it out because that way I can kind of just like look at it better. Okay, it's in the oven. It's kind of dirty because it's white clay, like I try my best. So I'm just gonna use paint and paint it when I do all the rest of the stuff. And then I think I'm gonna glaze it with UV resin just because they want it to be a keychain and I want it to be as strong as possible. Okay, hi guys, it's like 2 o'clock now and I'm just about to start working. I tried to do this like curl routine that I saw this girl on TikTok do because I have like slightly wavy hair, and I mean like it's kind of curling, but like it kind of just looks messy. I don't know how I feel about it. So I wrote out my little script. They actually kind of gave me like I don't know, a template to kind of go off of, which I've never had a brand give me that, but that's fine. And I actually go in the closet for this. So my closet's a mess, but if you didn't know, if you wanted to get the best soundproofing for your voiceovers, the clothing around you in your closet will be the best soundproofing. And we're done. I actually did it. It normally takes me a few more takes, but I actually did that one pretty fast.
I'm gonna make one of the cutest robots with me. It's called the Wiz Runtime Sensor. It's all about technology and security. Sculpting wasn't the easiest, and this part looks like a little marshmallow, which I thought was funny. But I had to basically bake the top part separately and then attach it afterwards. But once we start painting and putting everything together, I think it's just so adorable. All the little details come together, and it's just, I just love it. This little sensor robot can make for the cutest little desk charm or like a little keychain. It's really fun to see an actual cybersecurity company use this kind of stuff in their brand. And this is the final product. I hope you guys love it as much as I do.
You can see how many different takes I like edited together to do the voiceover. So it's not all just one take. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry. If you're trying to do voiceovers in one take, don't, because you'll just like stress yourself out, honestly. I worked until 3 o'clock today. We had so much funeral work to do. It was crazy. I live in the city, so yeah. Sirens, honking, all the things. I'm kind of tired, if you can't tell, just because of how much we had to do today. But I want to still work on my Halloween collection. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna wait till these sirens are basically right now I'm about to put icing on these little Halloween cakes, and I did a mixture of liquid polymer clay and like Sculpey 3, and I used those to make kind of like an icing to put on top of the cakes. And I'm really excited because this is like the most satisfying thing to do. Hi guys, I haven't vlogged in a minute. I just ripped off all my nails. They look beaten up. But I do think I need to give them a break. I haven't like not worn my press-ons in like maybe a little bit after I started my business. So in 2020, I started my business in August. I would say the February of 2021. Since then, I have not just like gave them a break. So I think I'm literally like, the length is like okay. If I shape them nice, I feel like they'd look cute. And I think I'm just gonna do red nails. I have this red nail polish, and I feel like that will be a fine red just to do plain red nails for fall. I have to make all of these. I don't have to make all of them today, but like in the next 2 weeks I have to make all of those. I was working on these guys yesterday, so as soon as my nails are done, we're gonna keep working on those. It's you.
I know you're recording me.
You like it?
Like what? Me?
Yourself?
Sure. A little chilly.
I like it. I'm warm. I got a vest on. I was prepared. Sick recently, like I don't know if you can tell by my voice. I do need to do my nails soon. They're so grown out. I just put cuticle oil on them, but this is going on 3 weeks. It's already October, what is it? It's already October 17th. What? Like, it's gonna be over. I'm so sad. Working on some stuff right now. So let's hope that I can just keep working. Hello vlog, it's spooky season and I'm wearing my super cute candy apple earrings. These are like one of the most popular earrings, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm setting up for a Halloween party this weekend and I'm really excited. I'm a florist. I am currently making flower arrangements. So I'm trying this new thing. And usually most florists absolutely hate doing this. And, you know, I don't love doing it, but for the vibe, I just feel like I have to. So I'm spray painting a few things black, but it just doesn't look right. I don't know. I have to do another coat on them. Let's see. They just don't look right. Oh, those are too small, Kiwi. I'm making the badges for our outfits, and I'm making... I'm doing some funny things. These are way too small, I feel like.